Imagine you're scrolling through your phone, looking for a way to send money to a friend or family member overseas. You come across an app called Paysend, promising fast, secure, and affordable transactions. But is it too good to be true? Is Paysend a real app, or is it just another scam? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Paysend to find out if it's a legitimate platform or a digital trap. We'll explore its features, fees, and user experiences to give you a clear picture of what to expect. What is Paysend? Paysend is a global money transfer service that allows you to send money to over 125 countries. It claims to offer competitive exchange rates, low fees, and fast transfer times. But does it deliver on these promises? Key features of Paysend. Let's break down some of the key features that Paysend offers. Fast transfers. One of the biggest selling points of Paysend is its speed. They claim that transfers can be completed in a matter of minutes, depending on the destination country and payment method. Low fees. Paysend advertises competitive fees, with no hidden charges or markups. This is a major concern for many people who have been burned by other money transfer services in the past. Wide network. Paysend has a vast network of partners, allowing you to send money to a variety of destinations. This is especially useful for people who need to send money to countries that are not well served by traditional banks. Secure transactions. Paysend uses advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. They claim to comply with international standards, ensuring that your transactions are safe and secure. How does Paysend work? Using Paysend is relatively simple. Here's a basic overview of the process. Create an account. You'll need to create a free account on the Paysend app or website. Add funds. You can add funds to your account using a variety of methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards. Send money. Once your account is funded, you can select the recipient's country and choose a delivery method. Receive money. The recipient can then receive the funds through a bank transfer, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Fees and exchange rates. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing a money transfer service is the fees and exchange rates. Paysend claims to offer competitive rates, but it's always a good idea to compare them with other providers. Here's what you need to know about Paysend's fees. Transfer fees. Paysend charges a fixed fee for each transfer. The exact amount depends on the destination country and the transfer method. Exchange rates. Paysend uses a mid-market exchange rate, which is generally more favorable than the rates offered by banks. However, there may be a small markup applied. User experiences. To get a better understanding of Paysend's performance, let's hear from some real users. We've gathered testimonials and reviews from people who have used the service. Positive reviews. Many users have praised Paysend for its speed, low fees, and ease of use. They have also reported positive experiences with customer support. Negative reviews. While the majority of reviews are positive, there have been some complaints about delayed transfers, technical issues, and difficulty contacting customer support. Is Paysend a scam? The short answer is no, Paysend is not a scam. It is a legitimate money transfer service with a proven track record. However, it's important to be aware of the potential risks associated with any online financial transaction. Here are some tips for staying safe when using Paysend. Verify the sender. Always double-check the sender's information before sending money. Be wary of phishing attempts. Be cautious of emails or messages that ask you to click on links or provide personal information. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Paysend account for any unusual activity. Paysend is a reliable and affordable money transfer service that can be a convenient option for sending money overseas. However, it's important to do your research and compare it with other providers before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.